today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from your Lazada wallet to GCash. So first head over and launch your Lazada app. Then next at the bottom right corner of your screen, click on the account icon. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your Lazada account. And from here, scroll down until you see the last pin section. So all you have to do is click on view. And here you can view your wallet. All you have to do is click on it, then click on the withdraw button. From here, we're going to click on withdrawable deposits, then click on the proceed button. And here we're just going to choose our bank account, which is GCash. So select bank. We're going to search for GCash. Just click on G Exchange or GCash, then confirm, add in your full legal name, and of course your account number, which is the same with your mobile number on GCash. Then once done, click on Add Bank Account. Now from here, add in the amount that you would like to withdraw. Click on Done. Just a reminder that there will be 15 pesos fee for this withdrawal. And to finalize, just click on the Proceed button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!